For real. Maybe I like you that way. Baby, I like you that way. Maybe I like you that way. Baby, I like you that.
Well, hello, and thank you for joining me here today on my channel. My name is Ange, aka 50 Cents UK. And guys, as always, if it's your first time joining me, sending you lots of love. And if you're one of my loyal returning subscribers, guys, I can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you. I have now got 1,000 subscribers and I am so happy and over the moon. I am thankful and grateful for everybody who has subscribed to my channel. It really has been an amazing journey here on YouTube so far. So I'm super stoked for today's video because I am doing a unboxing and first impression of the brand new Kayali fragrance, which is called Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25. Now I've got this whole pink look going on today, guys. I hope you appreciate it. I had to go pink today. I mean, come on, what else could I do? After seeing the pictures of that gorgeous pink bottle, I thought it's got to be done, you know. So this has literally just come in the post, okay, and this is what it looks like in its packaging. There you can see it's got the lovely sort of metallic pink on the sides. So let me take this cellophane off and let's see what she smells like. Exciting. Okay, so let's open her up. It sits in the box like that, very nice, very luxe looking. Let's get it out. Wow, and there is the bottle, guys. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning, beautiful pink color. This is going to get so dirty, like fingerprints galore, but hey ho, it's beautiful to look at. Anything pink and girly like that, I'm just there for it. I absolutely adore the packaging. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the bottle so far. So shall we see what it smells like, guys? I'm so stoked for this. I just don't want to be disappointed, you know. Okay, let's give it a spray. Hopefully it's got the same nice mister as all the other Kayalis do. Yes, it does. Okay, that is gorgeous. That's up my alley. Oh, sweet, floral, soft, powdery, feminine. Yes, this is a winner for me. I'm trying to tell if I can smell too much rose. I can't smell a huge amount of rose in it. And I read that on Fragrantica, some people say that this gives them like angel vibes. And no, to me, it doesn't smell like angel. And some people were saying it reminds them of the other Kayali, which is the elixir. To me, it doesn't smell like elixir. I do have that. And no. Oh, this is giving me sort of like, kind of like florally, powdery ice cream vibes. I can't. Yeah, ice cream comes to mind. I don't know why. But this is so nice. This is sweet and girly and romantic and playful. I like this, guys. I really do like this. Let me tell you what the actual notes are and let's see if I can get anything from the notes. So the notes are pink pepper, royal lily, saffron, bergamot, Bulgarian rose, May rose, vanilla orchid, magnolia, patchouli, amber, sandalwood and musk. Wow, what a great note composition. Guys, you know what? I think it must be the kind of vanilla and the rose giving me that kind of like ice creamy vibe. But this is so nice. Like, this is a winner for me. I will definitely be rocking this. And apparently This is supposed to be an intense formulation. So a lot of the Kayalis, they don't have the best lasting power, okay? This one I'm hoping is going to be better because of the intense formulation. Stick back your teeth, Ange. But yeah, so far so good. So my first impression of this is that it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's right up my street. It's sweet, it's feminine, it's rosy. Now it's been on my skin for a little while, the rose is starting to come through, and it's not your kind of like really fresh cut rose. It's more of a, I guess it's more of a synthetic-y type of rose, but I like that. I do like it. So it's a very sweet rose. It's not your freshly cut green stemmed rose. It's more, I wouldn't even say jammy, and it has a slight Turkish Delight rose vibe to it, on my nose anyway, to my nose, sorry. But yeah, I'm really happy with this, guys. And you know, if you like sweet fragrances in general, I would say to go for this one because I think you would like it. It's very girly though, so it does lean feminine. But if you're a confident man, you could still rock this if you like rose fragrances. I think this would be nice to layer with other perfumes as well. So yeah, Kayali, you did well. I am loving this one. My only regret is that I didn't buy the 100ml. This is the 50ml bottle. And because it was a complete blind buy and I didn't really get a chance to watch many reviews about it before I bought it. But now I wish I'd got the 100ml because I actually love it. I think this, dare I say it, is my favourite from the Kayali line. I mean, I love the vanilla one, but I think this one has just picked it to the post. That's a bold statement, but yeah, I'm just loving it. Do you know what? I can't stop spraying it. Like, seriously. It's so good. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. Comment down below. Let me know if you fancy getting your hands on this one. Have you ordered it? Have you smelt it? Are you going to? What are your thoughts? I'd love to know.